Hi, my name is Aaron G. Diaganon and I'm explaining the Q code. Let's go.
So now, this is the code overview. This code defines part of a queue system in Java, especially how to insert and delete items from queue and how to handle errors if something goes wrong. So, part 1. Interface or class method declaration. This is code. This method is means to add, insert an item into the queue. It declares it many throws are queue exception if sometimes goes wrong. For example, if the queue is already full, there is a typo here. It should be in queue, not in queue. Second line. This method is used to remove an item from queue, usually from the part. It also declares it might throw exception. For example, if the queue is empty and there's nothing to remove. Part 2, queue exception class. So this defines a custom exception class named queue exception. Its extend runtime exception means it's type of error that can be thrown during the program runtime. It has a construct that make message pass to the superclass, so you can display many form errors. Now let's move to the second code. The file name is store queue. This store queue class like a line or piece sa tindahan store. Where customer wait in line, it uses an array store object like customer names, numbers, etc. and message them like a real queue. So now, part of the class object queue. This is the actually array mag-hold sa mga items, customers, order, or etc. Integer in equals 100. Default size sa queue is 100. Pwede rin mo uslon if gusto ka gamay or dako ang queue. Integer front equals 0. Integer rear equals 0. This track usa sa una mag-glass ang item sa queue. It usually both start at 0. Empty ang queue. Now, store queue. Default construction maghimo og queue sa size 100. So, ang store queue identity size custom constructor if gusto ka specific size gamitan ni. So, now, nana diri sa any queue. Ang any queue mag-add og items sa queue. If puno na ang reals equal to n, it tries to move the queue to make space. Then, gibutang ang item sa rear side. Example, murag nagsulod og customer sa likod sa pila. Now, ang DQ, kwaon ng item sa front. If empty ang queue, front equal to rear. Throw og exception. Deleting from array from queue. So now, dili na ta sa move queue. Kung puno na ang array pero naay bakante sa unahan, because some were already dequeued, if ships all items forward from it raised to 100 and the rear is adjusted. Example, murag gisuog ang mga tao sa pila para na space sa likod. Sunod is ang SMT. Mobalikon true kung walay sulod ang queue. Useful para sa checking kung naay nagulat or wala. Sunod, ang display queue. Ipakita ang current sulod queue is nicely numbered list if empty. Sunod rin nata sa test store. This Java program simulates a sari-sari store queue system where customers can be added to queue, serve, remove from the front, or display it. Use G option for queue. First, ang store queue o new store queue. This creates a new queue object with default size of 100. It uses previously defined store queue class. So karon gamit tag boolean Running controls the loop. Option or bottom shows geo add, serve show exit. Sunod, para sa while, this loop continues until user choose exit. So, integer choice, this choice a pop with a for bottom, add customers, etc. If successful, as confirmation dialog shows if the queue is full, catch the exception. It show an error. Example, one has been added to the queue. Sunod Java. Sunod class is object serves queue.dq. Ties to the serve, remove the done by our coding.